Hey guys, this is Austin with Tiger Properties. I'm over here today at Tiger Town Village to do a quick demonstration on how to properly change the air filter in your unit. This is important to know because it is the tenant's responsibility to do so. We also encourage you to do it about once a month to make sure that the system is running properly. So what you are going to want to do first is that you are going to need a stepladder. It is in the ceiling. So when you get up here, there are two small notches. You will grab those, pull them out, and then the grate will be released. Then you will take down the existing air filter. So another thing to point out is that the size is important when you are purchasing this. You're going to need a 20 by 20 by 1 inch filter. So we'll take this, grab our new one here. Okay, and another thing to point is that when you are installing the new filter, you're going to want the arrow on the side of the filter facing up towards the furnace. And that will go in just the same way you had removed the original. Once it is secured, take the grate and lock it back. And that's it. So that's what we like to encourage you to do this about once every month, just to make sure your furnace does not build up. It won't cause any fire hazards and it'll run properly. If you have any questions about this at all, you can reach our leasing office at 864-654-7368. Thanks and have a great day.